What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best electric smokers in 2022. There's a lot of choice for electric smokers. When it comes to meat barbecuing and grilling by using smoke, charcoal smokers and other traditional smokers that we've been using for ages come to mind. With the introduction of best electric smokers on the market, things have become more favorable and useful for grill and smoke lovers. If you are new to smoking, then using electric smokers can be the best option. The use of electric smokers is not just confined to a few options. These smokers offer great versatility when it comes to smoking different types of food. They are very safe and easy to use, especially in those areas where fire is banned. For instance, if you want to have a barbecue in summer, it is nearly impossible for you to grill meat in the sun's scorching heat. Moreover, people suffering from lung diseases and breathing problems cannot inhale the smoke. So, considering all these factors, electric smokers have paved their path in the modern industry. Electric smokers are very safe and easy to use. These smokers have automatic regulators, which save your food from being burned and overcooked. Electric smokers are environment friendly, and you can enjoy barbecue even in a compact place. Moreover, the use of electric smokers is optimally healthy, and it keeps the food nutritious and delicious. So, if you are looking for the best electric smoker, then you are at the right place. In this article, we'll let you know about the best electric smokers on the market. TopHomeGuide.com. Search Top Home Guide before choose your product. Now let's get started. Number 1. Masterbuilt Electric Smoker. This electric smoker is quite easy to operate because of its compatibility with UV. You can easily adjust the temperature with automatic temperature regulators. The Bluetooth option gives you easy access to control the temperature even from a distance. The built-in integrated meat probe option allows you to look upon temperature maintenance options. These all functionalities make it the best electric smoker on the market. Standard racks. This electric smoker comes with 4 standard racks, which provide enough space for grilling meat. Amazingly, it has enough space to smoke up to 6 turkeys, 16 chickens, and 8 racks of ribs at a time. Wood chip loader. Interior light allows you to see the condition of food. Whenever you open the door, there is no need to open the smoker to add wood chips. You can simply add wood chips from the sidebars. Specification and features. Brand: Masterbuilt. Power source: corded electric. Color: black. Inner material: stainless steel. Fuel type: electric. Reasons to buy: meat probe thermometer. Bluetooth compatibility. Spacious interior. Reasons to avoid: the LED display is a bit hard to read. Number 2. Cuisinart Cus 330 Vertical. Electric smokers have the great feature of temperature control. Just turn it on, set the temperature as per your desire, and chill with friends. Its temperature can range from 100 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The thermostat is round like a dial, which gives a 1500 watt heating element. Its thermometer is large, which is very easy to read for the users. It will make it easy to control temperature by the user. That's why it is among the best electric smokers on the market. User-friendly. This smoker is user-friendly and provides the best result ever. It has everything that is needed for the best smoking experience. It has a large cooking space and can cook a variety of food. You can easily add wood chips, and it delivers delicious food. Versatile and convenient. Due to its portability and compact size, it can be easily adjusted in your house. Its cooking area is large enough to cook a lot of food. It has 3 removable cracks, and the footprint is compact. The racks and trays of this smoker are very easy to clean. Specification and features. Brand: Cuisinart. Model name: Cus 330. Power source: corded electric. Color: electric smoker, 30 inches, outer material: stainless steel. Item weight: 59 pounds. Item dimensions: LXWXH, 22 by 20 by 40 inches. Inner material: stainless steel. Fuel type: electric. Reasons to buy: built-in thermometer. Dishwasher safe racks. Perfect temperature control. Reasons to avoid. No glass door. Number 3. CharBroil Digital Electric Smoker. CharBroil has very amazing features, which make it easy to use even for pros, so, if you are new to smoking, then this smoker is the best possible option. It is insulated with double wall construction, to prevent heat loss during smoking food. The double wall construction of this smoker makes it the best smoker on the market. Digital control panel. The temperature of this smoker can be adjusted from the digital control panel, which is attached at the front. This smoker comes with remote control, so you can control its temperature even from a distance. You can also add wood chips and water during smoking if needed. Convenient. This smoker has 4 racks which provide enough space for cooking food. The doors are made up of glass, which lets you see the condition of food, whether it is cooked or not. The digital control system is easily accessible and very easy to understand. Specification and features. Brand, CharBroil. Model name, Deluxe. Power source, corded electric. Color, silver. Outer material, stainless steel, glass. Item weight, 50.2 pounds. Item dimensions LXWXH, 16.5 by 18.1 by 32.5 inches. Reasons to buy. Flexible setup to cook a lot of. Need to set temperature and time. Limited remote control range. Easy to clean and monitor. Digital temperature readout. Reasons to avoid. The remote control feature needs to be improved. Number 4. Smokehouse Products Big. If you are a barbecue lover and you love to eat meat full of smoky flavor, then this smoker can be the best option for you to buy. Engineered smoke ventilation ensures that there is enough deep smoke to cook food. This system allows deep ventilation to maintain the texture and nutrition of food. It gives food a rich smoky flavor and makes it so delicious for you, and these functionalities include this smoker among the best smokers on the market. Consistent low temperature. This smoker has a consistent low temperature, and food can be cooked at 165 degrees Fahrenheit. If you are thinking of cooking expensive meat, then cooking it at low consistency will be better to cook food deliciously. Top load and front load options. This smoker allows you to choose between 2 options, top load and front load. If you choose top load, then it is convenient in the sense that you can easily cook large pieces of meat. You can load it once completely, and then lower it into the smoker. Specification and features. Brand, Smokehouse. Model name, Big Chief Front Load. Power source, wood. Color, silver. Outer material, wood. Item weight, 17.57 pounds. Item dimensions LXWXH, 12 by 18 by 24.5 inches. Inner material, stainless steel. Fuel type, electric. Reasons to buy. Convenient. Easy to use. Hold up to 50 pounds of meat. Top load and front load options. Reasons to avoid. Fixed temperature. No glass doors. Number 5. Masterbuilt Smoke Hollow. Masterbuilt Digital Electric smokers are very promising and give the best result. They are testing new materials to increase the durability of smokers. It is sturdily built and can be assembled easily. This smoker comes with an instruction menu that makes it easy for consumers to use this even as a pro. It heats up abruptly and does a good job of controlling temperature. Fully insulated. The thermostat temperature control even smoking, and the body of this smoker is fully insulated. There are 3 chrome-coated smoking racks to adjust the huge amount of meat. Even smoking allows the food to be cooked properly and full of nutrition. Enjoy your party with Smoke Hollow to make it memorable. Digital control panel. The digital control panel gives more control to the owner. It makes it easy to understand for consumers to adjust the temperature according to the type of food. It makes cooking very easy, but it also has space to prepare enough food for the party. Food capacity. A smoker can adjust 2 turkeys, 3 racks of ribs, 9 chickens, 36 sausages, and 24 burgers. It is good enough to throw a large party at home and prepare your food. It is very easy to assemble and even smoking would be a piece of cake for beginners. Specification and features. Brand, Masterbuilt. Model name, Smoke Hollow. Power source, corded electric. Color, black. Item weight, 46 pounds. Item dimensions LXWXH, 18.54 by 18.19 by 33.35 inches. Inner material, stainless steel. Fuel type, electric. Reasons to buy. Temperature range 175 to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, compact and portable. Adjustable shelves can fit larger items of food. Reasons to avoid. 90 days warranty. No glass doors. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.